Productivity and efficiency improvements make optimizing your nesting patterns even easier with Solid Edge 2D nesting. This assembly from Solid Edge customer Finamac provides a great example as it consists largely of sheet metal parts of varying materials and thicknesses. Solid Edge 2D nesting can now search the complete assembly for appropriate sheet metal documents. Automatically sorting the parts by material type and thickness streamlines the nesting process. By selecting the material type and then thickness, users can quickly make patterns from multiple jobs, enhancing shop floor efficiency. Flat patterns are then automatically extracted from the parts, saving valuable time and money. Assembly occurrence counts now automatically define part quantities, while the job multiplier quickly calculates the amounts needed to manufacture multiple machines. Solid Edge 2D nesting supports multiple sheet sizes, maximizing efficiency, reducing costs, and waste. Standard sheet sizes are stored in a library, and users can easily define their own custom sizes. Savings in material costs alone gained by 2D nesting's highly efficient algorithm can quickly offset users' investment in the software itself. 2D nesting's new Quick Cost Estimator calculates the material cost estimates that are useful for quoting and inventory purposes. From user-defined costs per square meter or yard, 2D nesting quickly generates the accurate cost of material estimates that users need for job cost accounting. Take complete control of your nesting patterns with Solid Edge's comprehensive 2D nesting solution, saving time and money. To learn more about Solid Edge, visit solidedge.siemens.com.